What is going on, guys? So in the last video I showed you how you can get free coins on any game using this app here, Happy Mods, and today we're going to be doing a pack opening for Pacey Bits because we have that much amount of coins. So I just decided, why not just spend it all and see what we can get. And I was just saying like a while ago, so if I had a normal amount of coins, for example, like 100,000, maybe roughly what, 400,000. Those are the plays that I would get with that coins. But I don't have to waste any coins. Well, I do, but it's only, you can't see like the numbers move that much because you've got that much of trillions of coins. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing a quick pack opening over here. Okay, got a walkout. Nice, we got a walkout, so let's go. Spanish biscuits, 89 rated, 88. Okay, cool. He's alright. I like this guy. He's nice. He's alright. Oh, we got the hair as well. Nice. We get a walkout on this. No, but it was a medium hold. Tolisso. Okay, cool. Let's go to foot champs now. See if we can get any walkouts. Viviano. Get a walkout on this. Nope. Yes, okay. Is this a walkout? No, it's not, but it is 83 Angel. Angel or whatever, yeah. Okay, cool. Now we're going Pacey Bits on, I think, was it Legends or Icons again? I wasn't sure. Let me just have a look. Pacey Bits Icons, yeah, Icons. We might get one. We might. Low chance of us getting one. But for 60k. But it will probably be either a good one or a crappy 86 or 85 one. Oh, walkout. Let's go. For 60k. It's nice. Is that Messi? Nope. Icardi. Higuain. Okay. Okay then. Okay. He's good. He's not bad. He's not the worst. Let's hope we can get a walkout. It's the last one. Can we get some walkouts? Yes, we got some walkout, guys. We have a walkout. Brazilian. Left back. 88 rated Marcelo. Cool. He's really good. I'm just like surprised to be honest. I'm not sure what to say, but yeah, PK is alright. Okay, so crappy pack, but yeah. So no walkouts. I wonder, why do they sometimes go in sevens, like these, threes and twos, and yeah, just don't know. And I don't know about you guys, but I find it a bit lucky to double tap. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I find it lucky to double tap, guys. So excuse me if you can hear me tapping. Yeah, just wanted to say that. Ooh, okay. He's probably 86, 84. Okay. It was just quite a straight up pack. Okay, we got a walkout, guys. Got a walkout. Nice. Another 6k walkout. Was it CDM 89 Kante? He's good. Yeah, okay. So oh, we got another walkout. Two walkouts in a row. Oh my god. Okay. It's nice. Is that Kante again? Yes, it's Kante again. Okay, so we have someone to trade. Cool. Well, we have a duplicate. Nice. Okay, let's go to carnival packs. Okay, cool. Let's go to our carnival packs. Team of the week is Bolly. Yeah, just not speak about him. And after these guys, we are going to be doing a few pack openings with FIFA points. Instead of just wasting coins, we can just do it with FIFA points. Oh, we got some walkout. Let's go. Oh my god, nice. Yes. Spanish 90. Is it? Yes, 91 Ramos. 92. Let's go, man. Holy crap. Oh my god. Bro, I have no words. Oh my god, it's another walkout. No way. And it's an icon. Oh my god. No way, man. Wales. Is that Gigs? That's Gigs. 93 gigs. 89 gigs. 89 gigs. Okay. It was gigs, but it wasn't 93. Because in the other pack, in my old account, I got gigs, which is 93, Perez, 91. Whew. Roberto Carlos, 92 rated. It was just, oh my god, so it was tense. Okay, so we're nearly finished with the packs. I'm not gonna bother opening the silvers. Well, I might do, you know what? Nah, let's just go for it. Let's just open the silvers. Let's open a silver. Oh, we got a walkout. Let's go. It's a walkout. Come on. Who is it gonna be? Germany. Goalkeeper Ter Stegen. Yeah, Ter Stegen. 89 rated. Okay. I'm just gonna quickly. I'm not expecting a good one. Okay. Yeah, let's just. For the sake of it, just open all of them. I don't know why we are bothering, but we are. Swatching them all 64 crappies. Yeah, because it's a family friendly channel. We don't swear. Yeah. So we're gonna buy packs now. We're gonna see. Oh, we've got a walkout icon pack. It's an icon. Let's go. Who is it? Perez? Can it be Perez? Nope. Makilili. What? Anyway, yeah, he's good. Yeah. Team of the week. It's pretty good. Not gonna. Oh, we got to walk out. Oh my god, that's nice. Nice one. Big flare. Very big flare there. Manchester. Center mids. Pogba. Ooh. Boy, that is some spice right there. Woohoo. But I need to take a break from this, you know. I'm not gonna stop 24/7. Oh my god, it's gonna be fun. And by the way, guys, you can download the mods to this app from the other video. It tells you how. I tell you how. And we got another walkout. And yeah, you can basically unlimited money for everything, unlimited mods. It's basically everything, but nothing changes. You can still trade. Okay, nice Insignia. 89 rated. We can still get basically unlimited. Instead of getting unlimited packs, you get unlimited coins and FIFA points. So you can open as much packs as you want. Yeah, so that's about it. Oh, okay. Walkouts. Let's go. Another thing. Icon. No, it's not icon. Oh, Suarez 92 rate 93. Bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. No way. This is cool, man. I like this. I thought it was Cavani for a second, but it was Suarez. Why are we getting all those team of the weeks? Team of the years. Team of the weeks. Oh, we got another walkouts. Let's go. It is Ericsson 88 rated. Yep. Ericsson 88 rated. We're basically just spending unlimited everything, bruv. So sick. All those good players for free. Oh, another walkout. Team of the week walkout. Spanish. Who is it gonna be? What? Valencia 87. Perejo. Sorry. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty much a pack opening. Blind. Okay. Nice. Oh, we're gonna walk out. Let's go. Just hope it's Messi or... Oh, it's Messi. It is Messi. No, it's Higuain 88. No. How is it possible? No. Oh my god. It is a tense pack opening, guys. Very tense pack opening. Butland. Okay. Nice. sorry, I'm just speeding through those packs, but I just can't wait to see who I'm gonna get. And just see how it's gonna go. Okay, we're doing final three packs. Let's go. Come on, can we get to walk out in those three? No, we can't, but we're getting so much of the team of the weeks. Okay. Who is that? Oh, Pepe. Okay, what's wrong with him? Something. Oh, there you go. Lost pack. Even though it's not the last one, we'll come back unlimited. We're doing the last one here. Cool. Look, you still get the A1, the rares, and the silvers. You know, as usual, got the lightning rounds. You got my packs. Not gonna open them yet, but I've got 42. Got it. I've got 42 duplicates. Do I need to sign in? Alright, cool. Cool. Connecting to Patriot, Gamer, not dry. Yes. Cool. I'll sign in later, guys. But anyway, so it's my collection. You see, 95, 93. So all those icons, legends, icons. And I think that's about it, guys. Yeah, I think it's it. Yeah. So we got upgraded, latest players. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next one. Peace.